How to get live access on TikTok as a guest. So go ahead and open your TikTok application. Once you are in this homepage, click on the live icon. It's on the upper left corner of the page. And now find a live that you want to join. And then click on the multi guest icon, which is the two users icon here. Now, this may not be available for some live streams since the creator can control and customize this setting. So, if this is the case, you can't do anything about it since the user did not allow live guesting. So, after clicking on that, this pop up window will then show, and you will just wait for that user to accept your request. Now, this is what it should appear, but there are some cases that this window says live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So, there are some factors that you should consider. First, users below 16 years old are not allowed to go live on TikTok. Next, TikTok requires 8,000 followers before, maybe like a month ago. You need to have 1,000 followers before having this live and live guest feature. However, TikTok recently updated this feature. As you can see, my account has only 3 followers, but I was able to send requests on the TikTok user that was live a while ago. So with this, just make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. Now, if you already meet all of the TikTok's requirement and live access is still not given to you, the last thing that you can do is to contact and report it to TikTok. So go ahead and open your profile tab, click on the three lines icon, proceed to settings and privacy, scroll down to the very bottom, and then choose report a problem. In the topics, choose live, and then go to multi guest, and then tap on how to go live as a guest on TikTok. Now click on no and then proceed to more help. In here, just provide a short statement that you don't have the live access and submit it. Wait for a few days and TikTok should solve this issue for you. So that is how to get live access on TikTok as a guest. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.